How to maintain Lookat while animating. A lot of times students actually make this mistake while animating the character. Whenever the character turns the head or shifts the position, the direction where the character is looking actually changes. And here is where everybody makes a mistake. If you are a beginner, you will think of putting a constraint. This is master. If I keep it master, master acts as a constraint itself. So then later on, if I turn the head, can you see here, the eye will be at the same place. Now this is the wrong way. A lot of people actually keep on animating in 2 frames, 3 frames, 4 frames. They keep on changing the direction. So what is the right way then? What you can do is you can just create any polygon. You can take it wherever the character is looking. Suppose the character is looking here. So I'll go to perspective and I will bring the camera as if the character is looking at me. Now when you see that the character is looking at you, you have to just place your object just at the same place and just go through that and see, okay, the character is looking at me. When you go to another pose, again you have to go to perspective and see whether he is actually looking at the object or not. I have to make sure that he is looking at the object. This is how you can maintain your Lookat throughout the shot. Drop a comment if you like the video and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn more about animation, join my 7 days workshop. The link is mentioned in the description below. See you in the next video.